Back in August of 2020, I stepped out from a career in high-volume manufacturing because I wanted to learn more about 3D printing. I just knew that there had to be a better way than ordering a sprocket from 5,000 miles away and getting it transported over here, 3-week lead time, and then getting the machinery back up and running. I stumbled across the Additive Manufacturing course for innovative design and production. This course is absolutely jam-packed with so much information, videos, content, white papers, interviews with industry titans to truly get you caught up to speed with the additive manufacturing industry. My favorite part of this course was the live office hour sessions with Professor John Hart. The MIT team did a really great job of constantly updating the course to keep it relevant with emerging 3D printing information. I can definitely start integrating it into my current operations starting today.